Looking for a way to convert emails into tasks? Look no further than with the BasicOps Gmail add-on. The add-on can turn any email, big or small, into a BasicOps task, keeping you on track and organized even when you're not in BasicOps. To get started, you first need to install the add-on from the G Suite Marketplace. Once installed, head on over to your Gmail. Click on an email, and then click the BasicOps icon from the sidebar. Log into your BasicOps account. Then, the add-on will automatically populate using the email's content. You can change the due date, place the task into a project, or assign it to a team member. You can also choose whether to allow or disallow the email's files into the task. Once you're done, click Create Task. And just like that, your email has been converted into a BasicOps task. Click View Tasks to see it in BasicOps, where you can continue collaborating and organizing the task. Get it done and get it right using the BasicOps Gmail add-on, available now in the G Suite Marketplace.